how-tos.
Now we're gonna focus on footwork, and we're just gonna simply move front to back. Anytime you're moving forward, you wanna push off your back leg. Anytime you're moving back, you wanna push off your front leg, all right? Just make sure your feet don't become in a tight rope. We call it a tight rope, okay? You always want your balance, all right? So make sure you maintain that right leg or your left leg, all right outside just a little, okay? So here we go. I'm pushing off my back leg to move forward, push off, still maintaining distance. When I push back, push off that front leg. Push off back leg moving forward, front leg moving back. I'll do that one more time. Push off back leg moving forward, still keeping my distance. Push off front leg moving back, all right?